HPE-0-V27 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. A customer wants to implement a 3-2-1 data protection strategy and is already using VM for workload protection. Which HPE solution best fits their requirement? A. HPE GreenLake Central. B. HPE Data Services Cloud Console. C. HPE Alletra Pure Persistence. D. HPE Cloud Volumes Backup. The answer is D. The 3-2-1 backup rule means keeping 3 copies of data on 2 different media types, with 1 copy off-site. HPE Cloud Volumes Backup integrates directly with VM and provides a secure, scalable off-site backup in the cloud, making it the best choice for this use case. Compared to a traditional capital purchase model, what unique business value does HPE GreenLake offer to customers? A. Eliminate recurring costs. B. Reduce accounts payable balance. C. Improve liquidity. D. Increase over-provisioning. The answer is C. HPE GreenLake provides consumption-based IT as a service, allowing customers to pay for what they use instead of large upfront capital investments. This frees up cash flow and improves liquidity, unlike traditional CapEx models that lock funds into hardware purchases. A customer wants to modernize their database infrastructure with a scalable solution that also reduces the workload on their IT team so they can focus on higher-value tasks. Which HPE GreenLake benefit best addresses this need? A. Cost savings with a community cloud model that shares resources with multiple tenants. B. Time savings with a fully managed VDI solution hosted in AWS or Azure. C. Faster delivery and provisioning of new capacity in 7 days or fewer. D. Offload monitoring and management of databases with HPE GreenLake Management Services. The answer is D. HPE GreenLake for Database provides managed services that take care of tasks like monitoring, scaling, patching, and optimizing databases. This allows IT staff to shift their focus away from daily maintenance and towards strategic, value-added projects, which is exactly what the customer is asking for. You are designing a customer solution that requires including third-party ISVs not natively enabled in HPE GreenLake. Who should you work with to integrate these into the solution? A. HPE PointNext Advisory Services. B. HPE Prolient Product Management. C. HPE PointNext Operational Services. D. HPE Complete Product Management. The answer is D. HPE Complete is the program designed to integrate and validate third-party ISV and partner solutions with HPE offerings. When customers need non-GreenLake-enabled ISVs, the HPE Complete team ensures compatibility, support, and simplified procurement, making it the right engagement path. A customer wants to add a backup component to their HPE GreenLake solution. Their priorities are cost efficiency, long-term data retention, and ease of operations. Which solution should you include? A. HPE Backup and Recovery Service. B. HPE Cloud Bank Storage. C. Commvault, D. Zerto. The answer is D. HPE Backup and Recovery Service is a cloud-native, as-a-service backup offering within HPE GreenLake. It provides cost-optimized storage, simplified management, and long-term retention options, perfectly aligning with the customer's requirements. A customer requires a petabyte scale, geo-dispersed object storage platform. Which HPE Alliance solution best meets this requirement? A. HPE Solutions for Scala TARTESCA. B. HPE Solutions for Cumulo. C. HPE Solutions for Scala T-Ring. D. HPE Solutions for Cohesity. The answer is C. Scala T-Ring is designed for massive-scale, geo-distributed object storage deployments. It supports multi-petabyte capacity and enterprise-class resilience, making it the ideal choice. ARTESCA is lightweight and optimized for edge, core deployments, not large-scale geo-dispersed storage. Cumulo focuses on scale-out file storage, not object. Cohesity specializes in backup, secondary data management, not primary object storage at petabyte scale. In which scenario should you recommend an HPE GreenLake Cloud Services trial to a customer? A. When the customer wants to test a high-performance, large-scale VDI cluster in the public cloud. B. When the customer wants to evaluate 24/7 support for mission-critical workloads in a co-located data center. C. When the customer wants to experience platform as a service, PaaS, that includes technology, support, metering, and management. D. When the customer wants early access to next-generation technology not yet publicly released. The answer is C. HPE GreenLake Cloud Services trials are designed to give customers a hands-on experience with the consumption-based as-a-service model. They provide access to technology, integrated support, metering, and management, the full GreenLake experience, before making a commitment. A equals to specific, public cloud VDI cluster, not GreenLake's focus. B equals support services evaluation, not a GreenLake trial case. D equals early access programs, not trials. A customer wants their new HPE servers shipped with specific UEFI BIOS settings pre-configured at the factory. How should you submit these customization requests to HPE? A. Add the required settings in the customer intent document. B. Add the required settings in the order checklist. C. Export the configuration to an XML file. Open in Word, and add required settings. D. Export the configuration to an OCA file. Open in Word, and add required settings. The answer is A. The Customer Intent Document, CID, is the official HPE document used to define and submit factory integration requirements, including UEFI BIOS pre-configuration. This ensures the servers are delivered with the exact settings applied. B equals order checklist tracks order details but not BIOS customization. C, D equals XML, OCA exports are for configuration capture and deployment, not factory integration requests. A customer is moving their bare metal server workloads from a traditional deployment model to HPE GreenLake Private Cloud Enterprise. Under the shared responsibility model, which responsibility will the customer continue to own? A. OS vulnerability mitigation. B. HPE GreenLake central threat detection. C. Firmware management. D. Secure supply chain. The answer is A. In the shared responsibility model, HPE GreenLake manages the infrastructure layer, hardware, firmware, and physical security, while the customer remains responsible for operating system and application-level security, including patching and vulnerability mitigation. B equals handled by HPE's GreenLake services, not the customer. C equals firmware updates are managed by HPE under GreenLake. D equals supply chain security is built into HPE's processes. A customer wants to monitor business KPIs, including costs and usage rates, for their new HPE as a service solution. Where can they access this information? A. HPE GreenLake Central. B. HPE Composer. C. HPE GreenLake Marketplace. D. HPE OneView. The answer is A. HPE GreenLake Central is the single pane of glass for GreenLake customers, providing real-time visibility into usage metrics, capacity, and financial KPIs. It enables customers to track consumption, optimize costs, and make data-driven decisions. B equals HPE Composer is used for infrastructure provisioning and automation, not business KPIs. C equals GreenLake Marketplace is for discovering and purchasing services. D equals HPE OneView focuses on hardware management, not usage billing or KPIs.